Okay. Okay, hi, I'm Stephanie. I'm gonna do this video quickly on the IRS. By now, everybody should have sent off their taxes. And just wanted to bring up the IRS website, which is www.irs.gov. On that website, for single for the sisters who are single parents, you can go on that website on the home page, click on the individual, and there's a lot of information pertaining in order to your particular situation. You can not only get direct, intense, extended information on what you're interested in, but also the forms and the publications online that you can read at your leisure. Just be a little patient, go through everything, and find out what it is that you're interested in about. Also, I just want to touch real quickly on audits. If for any reason you're missing any information or you make an error on your taxes, that's the fastest and most direct way to be targeted for an audit. Audits are not scary. Pretty much the IRS, they contact you, you reply. You do have time during that reply to explain to them you need extended time to obtain representation. You do that by, I live in New York, if you're in one of the 5 boroughs, reaching out to legal aid in Brooklyn, Bronx, Staten Island, Queens, Manhattan, or did I miss one? Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Staten Island, Manhattan. Okay? If you're in New York area and you're having problems with that as a single parent mom, what you would do is go to nyc.gov. All of the New York City agencies are listed. Click on legal services in the drop down menu and you'll find a legal aid office in your borough. For everyone else outside of New York City that has legal services in their state and you're unaware of it, you just Google it. You're going to put in your state. If you're in North Carolina Legal Services. If you're in California Legal Services. Depending on how big your state is, once you put that into Google, it's going to bring up everything that is low cost or free legal services, either bureau or programs or assistance for low income people. The services are usually free. Sometimes there's a charge, but it depends on each individual state. So again, to get free legal services in your state, you put in the state, no matter what it is: California, New York, Maryland, North Carolina, Virginia, Dakota, North or South Dakota, plus followed immediately by legal services. Click on the one that's appropriate for where you live in the state, if the state is broken up into regions or sections, and you be guided by the intake and assessment information. Call up and get to it. That's pretty much what I wanted to get out. Also, I just wanted to say that it benefits single parents to take advantage of the free e-filing on the IRS website. It's the same exact thing as TurboTax and Hewlett Packard, or even the H&R or Turbo, whatever it is, out of the store. Except for this is free. You don't have to pay for it. Once you go through the eligibility checklist to see which ones you can choose from, all you do is e-file it or hard copy print it out and either have them deposited in your account or wait for the check to arrive by mail. Alright, so it's sweet and simple, but I wanted to get that out there and to let you know how to obtain free legal services from your state. Every single state in the United States of America has free legal services. You just have to know where to find them. Google your state and immediately followed by the words legal services, and you should get the information. Good night. Next video is going to be on financial aid. I'll go a little into specific details, so it'll take a few videos on that. I'll be covering from middle school, transition to high school, and then each 4 years of the high school preparation for college. We have 4 years in New York State. I know it's different in other states, but we'll talk about that in those next videos. Good night.